So back with another video. Everyone's been waiting for an update. Been pretty slow on the updates. Been away for work internationally, and yeah, it's been pretty slow progress in the house. But I'll just run for an update, show you guys what we're dealing with. Pretty nasty, isn't it?
It's like green goo. I'm not even gonna bother taking that out.
Alright, fair.
Because yeah, I'll just get in a mess, and like I said,
So today I've got a bit of the fireplace out to expose that, and I've finally started tackling the wall, so exposing that as well. This is where I'm at the moment, so ripping up all the floors and insulate it, and yeah, it's really difficult. It's really tough to get that floor up. That's where we're at. And then here, all the rubble, clear all that up, sort out that wall. That wall is staying like that. But get all the rubble. Fireplace needs to be widened, clear all that up as well. But yeah, there we go. I've started taking up the floors in this room as well. So got all the floors up. So this has taken absolute ages to get them out. Like, it just crumbles apart. It's absolute nightmare. So once that's out, we can then obviously lay the membrane and insulate underneath and get that done. So we're getting someone in to replace the drains as well, so getting that sorted and done. The rewiring, we're gonna get someone in to do that because it's gonna take way too long, and obviously I want it done all properly. So we get someone in to rewire that and get that all sorted. So we've got a couple of quotes for the kitchens as well, so get that finalised, and then we can be finalised on the heat pump as well. I've chosen that, we're going for one of them, and then we can get that in and the electrics, all the first fixing, and then we'll have to get someone in to re-skim because the wall is actually a lot worse condition than we thought, so they'll be in re-skimming all that, get that sorted, and I'll show you what's happening with the drain. Out here, they're pretty much got to dig up all of this, dig up all through the concrete, go up through there, sort that out, and that's going like round the property as well, so that'll be digging up, relining all of that, got to sort out the steps. So yeah, it's quite a big drain job. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So we've got to chase in for the electrics, got to finish ripping up all the floors, get them insulated, then we can get an electrician in to do rewiring, get the heat pumping guys to do first fix on that, and then obviously put new chipboard down on the new floors. Then we can get someone to skim it, and then we can get the electricians and the heat people back to finish that off. And then we can get the kitchen in, get it sorted. So there's loads of stuff. We're just getting people in now because we just don't have time, because we've got a deadline for like August, September. We've got to meet, and there's no negotiation on that deadline. So we've got to hit that. And then it'll be painting and stuff like that, new carpets. Obviously got to get a log burner, get that sorted, get that in. And with the log burner, that hole is not massive. It'd be good to open it up, put a new lintel in, but it's quite a job because you have to put a lintel across there, and then those bricks on the side also go back for that wall, and that's a low bearing wall, so we're gonna have to put lintels back there. So it's just gonna be a massive job. So ideally we don't want to do that. We're gonna just have to have the log burner kind of sticking out the hole and have a half on it, and do that instead. So loads and loads of things. But that's the thing, you spend so much time thinking about stuff, researching stuff, of actually doing any work. So it's probably been 2 weeks since we've actually done any work here, because you spent so much time looking and reading and researching stuff, figuring out what we can actually do. But yeah, there's a little update. Hopefully I'll start filming myself doing more as well. So and I also hurt my foot, so that's why I'm not doing so much. But yeah, thanks, that's the update. See you in the next one. So it's a bit of a building site, but I've got that wall down. So I've opened up the room. Yeah, that was tough. I mean, with the SDS as well, I didn't realise that you had to have on the hammer setting. So to begin with, I was doing up there and it was taking forever. And once I got it right setting, it was just like butter, absolutely ploughed for it. But yeah, that is the wall taken out. So you need to tidy it up, obviously clear up all the rubble. That's how we're looking. That is how we're looking on the other side of the room. What a difference that's made to open it up. Absolutely brilliant. So we're keeping that side because we have the fridge behind it, and obviously a bit of stability for that wall. But yeah, that's how I do it. But yeah, God, what a mess. Big job, but it's done now, which I'm pleased. And now we can get the floors up, get the rewire in.